Welcome to SG1 Vlogs. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Eggplant lentil soup is a classic and comfort food. It is a mixture of all the great flavors in one pot. This recipe is rich, earthy, spicy with Indian and Middle Eastern flavors. Eggplant is full of antioxidants and lentil is full of proteins. Combination of these two with tempering spices makes this dish delicious and tempting. Wash the eggplant, dice and then soak in salt water to prevent bitterness and decolorization. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 eggplant cut into pieces, 200 grams of onion, 1 cup of lentil or dal, 5 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I washed and soaked the lentils previously and added 2 cups of water. I'm adding eggplant, onions, green chilies, chili powder, salt, turmeric powder to the lentils and cooking it for 20 minutes. I'm cooking this in an earthen pot to make the dish nutritious. Clay, being alkaline in nature, helps in neutralizing pH balance of the food, interacting with acids present in the food. You can use pressure cooker if you are in a hurry or slow cooker if you have time. This has been cooking for 20 minutes. Let me check if the lentil is cooked. It needs little more cooking to become tender. The lentils are cooked now. I separated little bit of onions and chilies before mashing the lentils so that I can add them after mashing lentils just to make this dish look good and feel the taste of onions and chilies. Let me give you the ingredients for tempering. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, few parts of garlic, a teaspoon of mustard seed, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, few curry leaves and 2 red chilies. I'm using the tamarind to make this savory dish with more distinct flavor. I soaked 25 grams of tamarind and squeezed out the extract and added to the mashed lentil soup. Now I'm adding those separated onions and chilies into the soup and boil for few minutes. Keep a small pan on the stove and add oil for tempering. Add curry leaves, garlic, cumin, mustard and fenugreek seeds. And red chilies. When the seeds start to splutter, I'm adding few spoons of soup into the tempering for aromatic flavor. And add these tempering ingredients into the soup. Let the soup simmer for few minutes. The eggplant lentil soup is ready to eat with rice, idli, chapati or tortillas. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Press the notification bell to receive new video notifications. Thank you friends for watching our videos.